guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do my makeup daily or for going out or whatever. So here are the products I am using. I'm using the L'Oreal foundation and also a L'Oreal concealer. And I'm also using like the Alame eyeliner, gel smooth eyeliner. And then get down. And then I am using the Bare Minerals blush in that shade right there. I'll even open it so you guys can actually see the color. And then this is what I'll be using for my eyeshadow. And and this. It's the illuminating palette. I don't know, by the brand Wet n Wild. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to put on my face is this. And I usually just put a little bit on my finger. And then just dab it sort of everywhere on my face. Yeah. And then I usually just take my hands and rub it in because, well, I'm too lazy to use a brush. Yes, this probably isn't the correct way to do it. I know. This is just what I do daily to get ready. And then I try to make sure it's all blended in. And then I usually go in next with my concealer. Sorry guys, if you see me looking over here, it's because I'm using a mirror. And then I will normally go in with my brush. It's an RT400. I got this for Christmas, so I'm not really sure where I got it, but you probably could find it at Sally's Beauty. I put a little much on. And then you just want to make sure it's all blended in. So you don't look totally funny going out. And then next I'm going in with my Bare Minerals blush. And I'm just going to use the same brush. So. And I normally just put a little bit of it on my cheeks. Not much. Just a little bit, so that way you don't look like a clown, because we don't want that. And then I normally go in with this. It's just sparkles, just this shimmery shade. I don't do anything fancy with my makeup, just very subtle. I have a cat watching me do my makeup, quite literally. See? Sitting there watching me do my makeup. Anyhow. Alright. So, alright. And then I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. So, usually what I do is I pull my eye out like this and just draw a thin line. Like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. And then I am going to take my Luminous mascara. Which they actually have a product line called Luminous Air. It's basically where you can apply foundation with like this little utensil. I don't know what it's called, but it's for air flawless foundation. And then I just usually put a coat on until I'm happy with it. And I'm no professional. I just do what makeup I like. And then sometimes if I'm really feeling snazzy, I'll just go in with the like chapstick. Like that. And that is the makeup look. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great night, guys, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.